Good morning to everybody. My name is Sanatana. I am studying in 10th class in Brilliant Model School. Today I am going to explain about the process of photosynthesis. Now let us know the first definition of the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants contain green color pigment is called chlorophyll. Built a complex one molecule from the simple inorganic molecules using sunlight as an energy source is called photosynthesis. Several reactions take place in this process and intermediate compounds formulated. The scientists had tried to formulate this equation. The scientist's name is C.B. Van Til in 1931. His opinion was for each molecule of carbohydrate, formation of one molecule of carbon dioxide and two molecules of water and required in this process along with carbohydrate, one molecule of each of oxygen and water produces. Now formulated equation: carbon dioxide plus water, light by chlorophyll, glucose plus oxygen. Let us know the equation of photosynthesis. 6CO2 plus 12H2O, light by chlorophyll, C6H12O6 plus 6CO2. I am repeating once again the equation. 6CO2 plus 12H2O, light by chlorophyll, C6H12O6 plus 6O2. Roots soak up the water from the soil and stem. The water runs up through the stem to leaves and oxygen plus carbon dioxide sun energy to the flower, and water enters to the leaves of the stem and chloroplast tap the light into the carbon dioxide enters the leaf to the stomata. Sugar level 3. The leaf chemical energy plus carbon dioxide equals to sugar. Plants in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Now water plus light plus chemical equations is called light energy. Light energy enters into the leaf. This is the process of photosynthesis cycle. Now let us know about the mechanism of photosynthesis. In the mechanism of photosynthesis, there has two reactions: light depending reaction and light independent reaction. Let us repeat once again: light depending reaction and light independent reaction. In light depending reaction, exact location of photosynthesis in chlorophyll. Julie, one scientist has observed the chloroplast. The scientist's name is Julius von Such. Now let us know about light depending reaction. Light depending reaction has chlorophyll containing thylakoid called grana of chloroplast. It has two steps. Step 1. Chlorophyll on exposed to the light energy becomes activated by the observing plant's photons. Is a light energy. Step 2. The energy issued in substituting water molecule to release O2 reactions is known as photolysis. Let's repeat once again. Is reacts photolysis. It was discovered by Robert Hill. Hence, it is known as Hill's reaction. Let us repeat once again. It is known as Hill's reaction. Produces in photolysis placed up by the special camp NADPH to form a NADPH. Another energy is ATP. dark reaction. It calls also dark reaction. Hydrogen combines with CO2 with ATP, glucose, finally glucose to starch. The requirements of light and other factors varies one plant to another is called light independent reaction. Thank you for giving